say, we've got our what is it, E16, E16 demonstrating our knowledge with it. Science it. Modern miniature joysticks on this spring-loaded armrest. You can see it's a low hours truck which flicks between. We're at, and it does it 38. Oh bloody hell, I can't bloody read that. Was it 3,000 or what? 3,000. Anyway, whatever that says. We'll put it in the listing. Nice shift. We've got up, tilt forward, tilt back. We've all got, I think, the best feature for a truck with this sort of aid is really good that it's got the side shift. The lights, the hazards. It's a low hour truck. Not really how many hours. The eyes been online, but there for a second. It's 3,867.4. So when it comes again, 3,867.4, and there is a point there. So that's what was confusing me. Don't know what else to say. That's about it. Happy bidding.